Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. How are you all? I hope that each and every one of you is fine. So, this is very special day for you क्योंकि आज आप 20 ऐसे इंग्लिश सेंटेंस सीखने वाले हैं जो आपको इंग्लिश बोलने में बार बार हेल्प करेंगे. So, let's get started. I freaked out. मैं परेशान हो गई हूँ. This is very important sentence in this corona time. We can say I freaked out because of this deadly coronavirus. मैं इस घातक कोरोना वायरस की वजह से परेशान हो चुकी हूँ. Right? So let's move ahead. We have next sentence. This is no brainer. मतलब इसमें ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Some games are very easy. We can say these games are no brainer. इन गेम्स में ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, let's move ahead. Next sentence. Things happen. Just relax. When something bad happened to someone, we ask him to comfort him. Things happen. Just relax. होता है बस शांत हो जाओ. Let's move ahead. We have next sentence. Long time no see. बहुत दिन हो गए दिखे नहीं. When two friends meet each other after long time, one asks another, "What's going on? Long time no see." बहुत दिन हो गए दिखे नहीं. Okay, so let's move ahead. We have another sentence. Sorry to bother you. तुम्हें परेशान करने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. If I want to talk to someone and he is busy, so firstly we should say sorry to bother you, then we can start our talk. Okay, so let's move ahead. We have next sentence. Convey my regards to. मेरी शुभकामनाएं देना. To send best wishes. If some guest come to us and then they start going, then we can say convey my regards to your children. अपने बच्चों को मेरी शुभकामनाएं देना. Let's move ahead. We have next sentence. It's very kind of you. ये आपकी अच्छाई है. Actually, it is another way to saying thank you. For example, if someone has an old man, then he tells that one, it's very kind of you. ये तुम्हारी अच्छाई है. Okay? So we have next sentence. Can you cover for me? क्या तुम मेरी जगह काम कर सकते हो? Asking for a favor. A person asks his office colleague, "Can you cover for me? I'm not feeling well." क्या तुम मेरी जगह काम कर सकते हो? मेरी तबीयत कुछ ठीक नहीं है. Okay. We have next sentence. Keep me updated. मुझे खबर देते रहना. We can say another way. Keep me in loop or keep me updated. It means मुझे खबर देते रहना. We have next sentence. Let me get back to you. मैं तुम्हें पता करके बताता हूँ. अगर हम अपने टीचर से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं और अगर उन्हें उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं पता होता है तो वो हमसे क्या बोलते हैं? मैं तुम्हें बाद में पता करके बताता हूँ. Let me get back to you. Okay. We have next sentence. I'll be back with you in a minute. मैं बस 1 मिनट में आया. Actually, this is another way to say excuse me when something urgent comes up. Okay. Let's move ahead. We have next sentence. How is it going? सब कैसा चल रहा है? Actually, this is general sentence that we can ask our friends and relatives. How is it going? सब कैसा चल रहा है? Okay, let's move ahead. We have next sentence. It's not worth it. ये इतने के लायक नहीं है. Actually, this sentence we can use our shopping time. It's not worth it. ये इतने के लायक नहीं है. We have next sentence. Step up your game. और बेहतर काम करो. Okay. We have next sentence. Oh, that explains it all. वह बात, अब सारी बात समझ में आ गई. Okay. We have next sentence. Did I get you right? क्या मैंने आपको सही समझा? We have next sentence. Let me look into it. मुझे ध्यान से देखने दो. To solve a problem. if a student will ask me a solution of any mathematical question, then I will say, let me look into it. मुझे ध्यान से देखने दो. Okay, we have next sentence. You are driving me nuts. तुम मुझे परेशान कर रहे हो. Okay, let's move ahead. We have last sentence. Let's catch up soon. हम जल्दी ही मिलेंगे. So friends, let's catch up soon. तब तक के लिए keep learning English and subscribe this channel. तब तक के लिए bye.